Somebody asked me a really interesting question the other day that I wanted to just share. They asked me what you think are the top skills for an entrepreneur to have in the future. And there's a lot of like classic answers to this, but the key here is in the future. That's the key word. Because now you have AI, right? Now AI can tell you how to do your marketing, how to code stuff, how to talk to people, how to tie your shoe if you want, right? But AI is feeding you this information. AI is doing the thinking for you. AI is obfuscating where the truth comes from and obfuscating a lot of the perception of the world around you. You're just taking everything secondhand from AI as a secondhand observer, essentially, secondhand thinker, secondhand doer in many cases. And that becomes very dangerous. So the first one is navigating risk or uncertainty. And I've actually said this for quite a while, but I think this is like the most valuable skill you could have in the world. Because navigating risk is how you get reward, right? Take risks, you get rewards. Smaller the risk, the smaller the reward. The bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. And your ability to calculate which bets to make, the way to de-risk bets, the way to hedge yourself against the downside of certain things, whether that be investing, whether that be building some crazy startup, often comes down to risk. And it's a skill you have to learn. It's a very hard skill to learn. But what I will say is that this skill, in my opinion, is evergreen, and it is independent of tech or startups or being a founder.